Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from MyTutorialRack.com, and in this tutorial we will continue adding fields to our medical appointment object. So we have added the fields from this sheet. Now we're going to go ahead and add fields from this sheet. So the first one we're going to add is neighborhood, and it's the text. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go back here and we will add a field called neighborhood, and that is of the type text, and we'll hit next here. Basically, neighborhood is nothing but the address pretty much, or which city he's from. And then we can have 250 here, next, visible to all, next, save and new. The next field we have is no show. It's a pick list. Okay, it's a pick list here, no show. And here yes or no. Okay, those are the pick list values, yes and no, next, visible to all, next, save and new. The other pick list that we're going to add is the patient ID. So we'll just go ahead and add patient ID here. It's of the type text. And length is again 250. Next, visible to all, next, save and new. So we have added patient ID as well. Then we have patient. This is something that will get automatically created when you are creating a prediction, so we don't have to worry about it. Then we have is scheduled day, means when the appointment is. So the next one is scheduled day, and then we have is scheduled day. That is a date and time. That's basically the appointment date and time. Schedule day, next, visible to all, next, save and new. Then let's just add the remaining two fields. Scholarship, basically think of it like a rebate, but let's leave the scholarship one. An SMS received, we can say. The field that we're going to add is a checkbox field. And we'll just add one of the field rather than both, because scholarship doesn't make sense. I should have removed it, but I apologize for that. And then we can say SMS received, and then that's it. And then next, and we have visible to all, next, and we have save. So now we have created all the fields for our medical appointment object. So if I go over to my app launcher here, and if I type in medical appointments, you can see here, this is the object that is created. Currently it has no data. Okay, so this is our medical appointments object. We can do all, and then we have, let's change over to the sales application if it is there. Okay, and then we have is medical appointments. We have medical appointments here. And then if I click on new, you can see here, these are all the different fields that are available onto this object. Okay, so we have age, whatever your appointment day is there, means on the day when the appointment was made. Then you have is gender, which is male and female. Then you have is no show, which is yes or a no. And then you have a scheduled day, means when the appointment is, and all of that. So this is your medical appointment object that you have created, and you have also added fields to this medical appointment object. Now in the next video, I'm going to upload a sheet with the data onto this medical appointment object. Okay, so stay tuned for that. We are very close to creating our first prediction. So I hope you guys are enjoying these tutorials. I'm going to see you next. Thank you very, very much.